Hello everyone, my name is Progentius Tosli, and today I and my friends are going to present about our case study. So, before that, we must know what is our case study problem. ABC Manufacturing Ltd is a medium-sized company producing auto parts. Recently, the management decided to implement a new shift system to increase production output. The system required workers to rotate between day and night shift every week. The trade union objected, arguing that the new system was introduced without proper consultation and would negatively affect workers' health and family life. Tension escalated when workers staged go-slow protests. In response, management issued warning letters to several employees, further straining relations, and the union has now filed a dispute with the Industrial Relations Board, citing unfair labor practice and breach of the collective agreement.
For the first question, identify the main causes of the industrial dispute at ABC Manufacturing Ltd. The first causes was lack of consultation. ABC Manufacturing Ltd management introduced a new shift system without proper consultation with the trade union. Next, it's giving negative impact on workers' welfare. The rotating day and night shift were seen as harmful to employees' health and family life. Furthermore, perceived unfair labor practice. Workers felt the change breached the existing collective agreement. Last but not least, the cause was poor communication and strained relations. Management decision to issue warning letters worsened trust and escalated the conflict. Next, I pass to Asfa for explanation for question 2.
Thank you, Flo. So, this is my turn. My question is as how the possible method that can be used to resolve the disputes. So, you can use go slow. Go slow needs worker essentially reduce their work pace to disrupt activity. And the second, use overtime ban because workers refuse to work beyond their standard hour and disrupting operation relying on overtime. And the third, work to rules. The work to rules need employees strictly adhere to rules and policy and slowing productivity without outright stopping works. And boycott can use because worker or union encourage the public to avoid product from the target company. And for the next, login, worker prevent management from leaving premise. Next, you can use mass resignations because employees collectivity resign to ease pressure on the employer. And the second last two is sit-in. Worker members occupy to specific area to protest. And the last one is solidarity actions. To support actions such as to protest to show unity with the worker involved in industry actions. And that's all for me. I can give you for another persons. And thank you.
And the number 3 question is, as an industrial relation officer, suggest strategies that both management and the union can adopt to prevent similar dispute in the future. So I will start for the management first, and the first one is consultation and participation. Always involve the union and before implementing major workplace changes. And the second one is transparent communication. Maintain open and honest and continuous communication with employees. And number 3 is health and welfare consideration. Assess how policy changes affect employee well-being and family life. And number 4 is training for managers. Provide training on labor laws, negotiation, and conflict management. And the last one is fair treatment. Avoid punitive action like warning letters before dialogue is attempted. As for the union, number 1 is strengthen communication channels with members and management. The union should establish regular meetings or feedback session with both members and the management. And the second one is provide education and training for union members. Conduct workshops or seminars to educate members about company policies, labor laws, and collective bargaining procedures. And the third one is promote collaborative problem solving. The union should work together with the management and through joint consultative committees. And number four is encourage early grievance resolution. Implement a structured internal grievance system where complaints can be reported and resolved quickly. And for the last one is maintain transparency and accountability. Keep members updated about negotiation outcomes, agreements and discussion with management.
So, before we end our presentation today, we will talk about the conclusion. Every action and directive from the management should take employees to consideration by listening to their opinions. This is to be fair about their opinions and also industrial procedure. This will help achieve mutual agreement and unity, ensuring that conflict do not arise. That's all from our group. Thank you.